friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a penguin in a cute present sack, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's move up and get started with the penguin. So we're going to start on the left hand side, drawing in an oval for our left eye. We're going to leave quite a big gap moving across on the right hand side, replicating that. In the top of both eyes now, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight of the eye this time. And then we're just going to color in the rest of our pupil black. Let's come in towards the middle now, and we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. And then from that inside corner, we're just going to curve this back across, connecting that together. Let's move underneath. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line, dipping down in the center, bring that back up. And now let's close off the cheek. So we're going to come over drawing in a small circle on a diagonal beside both of our eyes. Let's move out from the nose on the left-hand side, curving this around and out. We're going to leave a gap doing the same thing on the right. Now from here, starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this around and in underneath, leaving a gap in the middle. Let's move up now. We're going to draw in the Santa hat. So on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to arch this line up on the left. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. So we're going to curve that through. We're going to extend that further up this time. Now from here, from this top line, we're going to curve this around and down on a diagonal again. Beside this on the right hand side for the pom-pom here, we're just going to draw in a circle, connecting that on the side. Let's close out the top of the hat. So we're going to arch this line around and we're going to bring that down towards the circle. Let's close off the penguin head now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and in. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, curving that across. Let's draw in the arm. So on the left-hand side, curving this around and up. And then moving over on the right, replicating that. Now let's close off the present sack underneath. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, right in the center. Let's extend that out on the left, curving that up. And then we're going to extend this out on the right. Let's close off the center of the penguin's body now. So from that corner, we're going to curve this down towards the arm on both sides. And now let's draw on the gifts besides. We'll start on the left-hand side. We'll draw in a small diagonal line coming up. We're going to extend this line further out, drawing in another diagonal line coming in towards the body. Let's move over on the left-hand side, drawing this line coming up towards the top corner. And then again from here, we're just going to bring this over and through towards the head. Let's draw in two straight lines, leaving a gap in the middle on the top. And then we're going to step in slightly on the bottom, replicating that again. Let's draw in a small bow up above. So we're going to draw in a small arch line, leaving a gap on both sides, curving this around and then down towards the top. And then in the middle, closing that off, bringing that back in. Let's draw in a candy cane now. So on the top here, we're going to arch this around and down. We're going to curve this line over and around, bringing that in towards the top. And then we're going to continue to extend this down and back around towards the top of the bow. Let's move up now, and we're going to draw in a curved line on a diagonal, leaving a gap as we come all the way around our candy cane. Let's move across on the right hand side, and we're going to draw in another candy cane. So stepping over, we're going to arch this up and across. we're going to curve this line around and in towards the top. And then starting back on that line again, we're just going to continue to arch this around and down towards the top of the penguin's head. And then like we did on the left-hand side on a diagonal, we're just going to draw in some curved lines as we leave a gap coming up. Now let's move over on the right. We're going to draw in a small Christmas ornament here. So we're just going to draw in a curved line, creating the top of the circle. On the top, we're going to arch this line over. And then we're going to step down, replicating that, creating a little stripe there. Now above, we're going to draw in two small diagonal lines coming out. And then we're going to close those off with a curved line. And then right up above, we're just going to draw in a small arch line. Let's draw in another gift box now. So coming across on the right, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming up. We're going to extend this line further out. And then we're going to continue this behind, coming in towards the head. Now on the right-hand side, we're going to bring this line up. And then again on the side, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming through towards the head. Now from here, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming up towards the top. Let's draw on the bow again. We're going to draw in a half circle on both sides, leaving a gap. We're going to curve this around and back down. And then stepping in towards the middle again, let's close that off. Now let's move up. We're going to step in. We're going to draw another diagonal line coming through. We're going to extend this further out. So from the circle there, bringing this over. Again, drawing a diagonal line coming up. And then from the side here, we're just going to bring this diagonal line over and through towards our circle. Let's draw in two diagonal lines on the top of the lid. And then stepping in slightly, drawing in two more in the middle. Let's draw on the bow on the top, half circle in the middle. And then on the left and right hand side, just curving this around and down towards the top of our gift box. And then stepping in, replicating that shape one more time. Now let's come down and draw in the present sack here. So right in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big bow. So we're going to draw in a circle in the center. On the left and right hand side, we're going to arch this line out. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this around and down. And then on the bottom again, just curving this around and then back up towards the middle. Now in the center, we're going to curve this over, adding in a small detailed line. Let's step over from the middle, curving this out on a diagonal on both sides. Now from that corner, bringing this around and through towards the center. And then again, we're just going to bring that across on both sides. Now from that point, we're going to arch this in towards the bow. Now coming up in the middle, we're going to arch this line around and in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. We're going to end that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to step up from that corner, rounding this out, curving that in towards the top. Now on both sides, stepping in, we're going to curve this around and down, ending that at the same height. And then right in the middle here, leaving a gap, we're going to draw in another curved line directly on the bottom. Moving over on the top, we're going to curve this line around, over and in towards that line on the bottom. Now as we come in towards the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line for the mouth. We'll step over on the left-hand side, drawing in a nice big circle for that left eye. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move across on the right-hand side. Now on the top left-hand side, let's draw in another circle. And then let's move down on a diagonal. We're going to draw in our second highlight, just making this one slightly smaller. And then we're just going to color in our eyes black. And that is it. That's how you draw a penguin in a cute present sack. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.